What's going on, guys? It's a blessing to be here. Today we're taking out Bitcoin. It's just an updated video. I have already made a video on Bitcoin, but that was when the price was around here. We're going to refer back to that real quick just because I pointed out why it would come down and how low it would come down. Let's just refer to it real quick and then we'll get back into this one. And come back. I believe that it's going to come back and test at least anything around 20,000 right here. 20,000. I expect this to be the lowest retest. If this happens, then it'll be a good entry for y'all to get into Bitcoin space. And yeah, it's gonna come down, retest the level, maybe 20,000, maybe 24 right here, or even this level right here, 27, and keep shooting up. Well, we back now, guys. Real quick, all right. I'm gonna do this real quick, just show you guys price, basically what's going on with Bitcoin, right? And my prediction before was that I said the price will probably come around 45,000, 50,000. It did not do that and fall down to make a correction. But you can see right here, price fell down, and I had this like this before in the previous video, but I was expecting it to come here because this wick was strong, right? When this happened, I said, hey, a wick down, but it quickly got back up. You can see right here, even from the top, you can see right here, look, this is a 25% correction, right? 25% correction, boom, it hit it and then came back up. From the 25% correction from down here, it went back up, you see, about the same, like 25, 28%, right? But Bitcoin right now is in the state where a lot of things are going around with cryptocurrencies. Basically, the lawsuit that's going on with Ripple as well will have a big impact on cryptocurrencies in general, right? So just gonna keep things simple right here. I did this, drew my zones. You see it right here, right? It came down and retested. And my reason is for Bitcoin, why did it fall down here, right? Make a quick like 25, 30% correction. Why did it do that? It's because there was some sell-offs, right? There's probably some people that are selling off because this was a high price, wanted to make some quick profits. And whenever the dollar does good, Bitcoin price usually comes down. And there's a lot of news around cryptocurrency, especially now. Technology is evolving. A lot of people want to get into space to secure their money and things like that. So there's a lot of news that's going on with cryptocurrency affecting the price of Bitcoin and also other cryptocurrencies standing next to it. It's not likely for it to come down to the lowest lows. So right now it's just hovering, making that quick 30% correction like it has done in the previous. Let's check real quick. You see, even in November, let me just take this off. I'll take this. All right, it's okay. We'll keep this the rest over here. But even in November 27, look how much of a correction this was. Look, not a lot, right? About 14% correction and went right back up. And after that, it came down like 6%. That's nothing at all. Those are like normal movements. But also, as high as the price of Bitcoin gets higher and higher, the volatility is going to come down. So you see right here, 30% correction is normal. It's nothing crazy. You know, it's having a couple sell-offs. It's not a big problem for Bitcoin. And a lot of, just like I mentioned, news circulating the cryptocurrencies situations. But it's good right here. I say, honestly speaking, I would just wait a little bit because it might come down more. From experience, it might come down to around like 23,000, just like I mentioned before, 23,000 to, let's do this for visually. See right here, it might hit this right here. It might come and retest the support, or also this right here, this action that's going on right here. But also, it's Bitcoin. It's not as simple as basically the forex market, how it moves, right? It's kind of easy to see where it's headed, but then again, these large movements like this can bring the price back down, right? And I'm not expecting it to come all the way down, retest levels again, keep going lower and lower. And like as people expect it to come down to like 5,000 to get entry again, even $1,000. It's not gonna happen, guys, unless something critical happens to all cryptocurrencies, right? But I will patiently wait for it to come down for another entry, just like I mentioned. Let's do this right here, coming down to probably test this zone. I'll draw out a couple zones real quick. Test these ones right here. One on the daily time frame. I'll go quickly to the lower time frames to just adjust it. Let me go to the hour. Not that low, but we'll see real quick. See? Okay. right here. Make a quick adjustment. But that's it for Bitcoin right here. Just expecting it to come down a little bit further, but we will see what's going to happen. No one can be 100% right in these phases, but this is a strong correction. Like I mentioned, 30%. And if we get back the tool again real quick, as it did this correction January 11, it came back up. And from January 15, it tanked down, right? Another how many percent you say? We go all the way down to the wick, around 27%, right? 27.30%. And right now it's hovering in this space from the price of 35,000, around 35,465 to around 30,000 right here, 30,194. So keeping things simple, it might hover around here, these prices for a little bit, but then again, we will see what is happening in the markets and anything that news, basically fundamental news that comes around cryptocurrencies, and if they affect it, we will keep a close eye on it, and I'll keep you guys updated. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Take care. Peace.